This is another shocking turn of events for this case. Today, the judge, as you just mentioned, released the jury after a juror claims that multiple members of defense counsel were acting unprofessionally and laughing at them. And we can now share that this is the second jury to be dismissed following a mistrial last month.
As protesters shouted for justice, former World Junior Hockey champion Alex Fermenton walked into court this morning, flanked by his defense counsel, Daniel Brown and Hilary Dudding. And it's this legal team whose alleged actions have led to not one, but two juries being dismissed from this trial. Yesterday, Justice Carosilla was handed a note from a juror. In the absence of the jury, the judge read the note out to the courtroom, which read, "Multiple jury members feel we are being judged and made fun of by lawyers Daniel Brown and Hilary Dudding. Every day when we enter the courtroom, they observe us, whisper to each other, and turn to each other and laugh as if they are discussing our appearance. This is unprofessional and unacceptable." Justice Carosilla dismissed the jury this morning without providing a reason for their dismissal. The hearing is now moving forward as a judge-alone trial.
All we were seeing up to this point is justice not being done. So I think that it was important for a judge to say, okay, let's try to move this forward. And if this is the pathway, then let's take it.
A statement released by criminal defense lawyer Daniel Brown today denied the allegations made by the juror, saying in part, no defense counsel would risk alienating a juror, and nothing could be further from the truth in this instance. The very idea of counsel making light of a juror is illogical and runs directly counter to our purpose and function. Brown's associate Hilary Dudding, who's also representing Fermenton, was also involved in allegations that led to a previous jury being dismissed and a mistrial declared last month after a juror at the first trial reported that Dudding spoke to her during the lunch break.
The last thing that we ever want as counsel is to be an integral part of the trial unfolding. You, in fact, want to be invisible.
A young woman who we can only identify as EM claims that an alleged group sexual assault took place inside this London, Ontario hotel in June 2018 following a Hockey Canada gala. Former World Junior Team Canada captain Dylan Dubé, Cal Foote, Carter Hart, McLeod, and Fermenton have each been charged with sexual assault. McLeod is also facing one charge of being party to the offense.
And the proceedings continue this afternoon as a judge-only trial with former teammate Tyler Steenbergen continuing his testimony.